Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Athphy Massage Gun Deep Tissue Massager, modern and unique design, high torque brushless motor, high capacity lithium battery, and quiet operation as well. Super excited to go over this. I actually did have this product sent to me from the company and they just wanted me to do a review on it, so I'm going to take it out and I'm going to just check it out and see exactly how it works and how well it works or it doesn't. This massage gun is equipped with a high torque all copper brushless DC motor, which gives the massage lower heat generation, lower working noise, and longer service life than normal models. Like your health manager, the muscle massage gun records precise data of each hit and use habits and displays them on a full colored high definition LCD screen. You can freely choose the history records of percussion that suits you, make your massaging more joyful and easy. But now, since we got a little bit of the key features and details out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox it, take a look at how it looks, and take a look at how it actually works as well. Let's do it. Wow, really like the case. Got a hard shelled case, really nice. Reminds me of my DJI case, honestly, and looks very sleek as well. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Okay, and as soon as we open the box, you can see the massage gun right here in its protective packaging. Let's go ahead and grab it out of there. And wow, really nice. It does have a good bit of weight on it. I wouldn't consider this a light massage gun. You are going to definitely have to hold it and have a good grip on it, but it does have a textured grip as well. The handle is really nice and ergonomic. A little too big, but I do have big hands. So if you are a woman watching this, this might be a little too big for your hand size, but might work just as well for you as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to take the charger out and go ahead and plug it in and get to checking out the heads and see exactly how they feel. And before we grab the heads out, let's go ahead and turn on the unit. And automatically there is the percussion counter right here, and that will be counting how many times it hits you. And let's go ahead and place a normal massage head in here. This one is going to be for the general use. You can use all over your body really. And there is the counter going up right there. Very gentle feeling as of right now. Let's go ahead and set the speed a little bit higher. Test it out right here on my arm. Wow. Okay, as you can see, the motion is actually covering a wide range on my body. So it's not just pinpointing, it's actually hitting that direct area and then reverberating around into surrounding areas as well. And oh my goodness, that feels absolutely perfect. Especially on the neck or something. This one right here is an amazing head for that. Let's go ahead and turn it off and take this head out and move on to our next one as well. So this one right here I've seen on a couple other massage guns, but none of them just like that. Most of the time they have a longer head and the dip is a little bit more of an angle right there as well. So this one's going to be very unique, and I really like the knobs on it, so I can't wait to see how this one works. I'm going to just use it on the arm as well. We're going to just go ahead and use it on my arm for now. And this one, you can really see the motion. Let's go ahead and turn it up a little. Oh, okay, I shut it off. There we go. And you can hear it, see it, and you can definitely feel it on my end. This absolutely feels amazing. Again, that one's perfect for the neck as well, and the shoulder, thigh, calf. This one's definitely an amazing head right here, one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and turn it off and move on to our next one as well. Okay, in our next head we actually have this one that I've seen multiple times, and just like the other ones, I have not seen it with these little knobs on there. So I'm actually really excited to see how this one feels and see how this one works. Now, since we have it turned on, let's take a look at it. Once again, moving fantastic. I'm gonna do this one on my hand. Whoa. Little bony to be doing on the hands, guys, but overall amazing. I think this one would be perfect for the thigh, where it's got that that front flat tip. I feel like that would be great for your thighs. So that would probably be the way that I use it. Or if I busted my buttocks earlier in the day or something, you know what I mean, tore a hammy or something, maybe bust it out on that. That might feel really good. But let's go ahead and move on to our next head and see what this one is. This one actually looks a little painful, so I don't think I'd be using this much. I think that one would be for the ultra deep tissue, and I don't really get aches and pains that are that deep. So this one's going to be for that. And actually, I'm not even going to do a demonstration on that because that one might jab my arm off. That one's for deep tissue, not really for your arm or anywhere like that. This one right here will work on your arm, your wrist. I really like the way that it kind of hugs when it's moving. It feels good when it's actually moving and can go along your arm. So let's go ahead and turn that on and check it out a little bit more in depth. Like I said before, you can really see it and really feel it. An amazing product. It's pretty loud, but it's not as loud as some of the other massage guns that I have so far. So really cool on that one as well, but definitely too loud. I don't know why these things have to be so loud. The motors are really loud for their size. And then our final head right here. This one is a mixture of the bullet head, I would say, and the normal flat top. It's like right there in the middle. Kind of has a little bit of a taper on it, and should do pretty good, and shouldn't actually hit with too much impact that it hurts you. This one will be good for pretty much any area as well. It's just up to your specific wants and needs, whatever head you feel like is the best for your use. That's all up to you guys, so you make that decision for yourself. Overall, an amazing product. You can actually find this on Amazon for $99.99. It was listed at $109, but currently also has a coupon available for 50% extra savings applied at checkout. So if that's still available, guys, you should definitely check that out. If not, the time has passed and I'm sorry. I will definitely be leaving a link to this down in the description below if you guys want to check one out for yourselves. That would be really cool. If you guys use my link, I will get a small commission off that, and I will put that back into my channel as well and keep on increasing quality for you all. I hope you all like this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.